And welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson, and today we're going to introduce the passive voice. So what happened to the cake? And what happened in these pictures? See if you can describe these. Now we'll match the pictures to the sentences. Somebody cleaned the room. That would be picture D. Someone delivered the parcel, picture A. Someone broke the window yesterday, picture B. And someone ate the apple, picture C. So compare these sentences. Someone broke the window. So someone broke the window is an active sentence, and the window was broken by someone is a passive sentence, but both have the same meaning. Now match these pictures to the sentences. The room was cleaned by somebody. That's picture D. The window was broken by somebody yesterday. That's picture B. The apple was eaten by someone. Picture C. And the parcel was delivered by someone. Picture A. So active, someone delivers the mail every day. Someone cleans my room. Passive would be the mail is delivered by someone every day. My room is cleaned by someone. So the object of an active sentence becomes the subject of a passive sentence. For example, someone delivers the mail every day. That's the active sentence. The mail is the object. So to write that sentence in passive voice, the mail becomes the subject and then is delivered by someone every day. And the passive verb is the to be verb plus the third form of the verb. It is done, the car was hit, the window was broken. All right, so how to form this present simple passive? You have the subject plus a to be verb plus the third form of the verb. So the houses are cleaned every day. Cream is made from milk. The mail is delivered to the office, and we are invited to the party. And to form the past simple passive, you have the subject and the to be verb, and again, the third form of the verb. The houses were cleaned every day. The telephone was invented in 1876. The parcel was delivered to my house. We were invited to the party. All right, now you can pause the video, try these next examples on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. The first one is already done. The injured people were taken to the hospital by the ambulance. Okay, so this house was built in 1982. This photo was taken in Paris when I was a student. The ball was kicked over the fence. Bread is made from flour, salt, water, and yeast. A lot of cheese is produced in Spain, France, Italy, and Germany. In Turkey, yogurt is eaten with hot food. Andrew's bag was stolen from his car last night. Okay, remember that present simple or past simple, and don't forget to use the third form of the verb when you make the passive sentences for these. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, the book was written by a famous author. The telescope was invented by Hans Lippershey in 1608. Wheat is grown on large farms across the world, and the milkmaid was painted by Johannes Vermeer. Paper is made from wood, and the city was destroyed by an earthquake last year. Good news, your stolen car was found last night by the police. New apartments are built every year in my city. So remember that the object of an active sentence becomes the subject of a passive sentence. And here we can see that the male, which is the object in the active sentence, becomes the subject in the passive sentence. The subject of an active sentence becomes the agent of a passive sentence. Someone delivers the mail every day, so the mail is delivered by someone. So using by, so someone delivers the mail every day. The passive, the mail is delivered by someone. Or the children ate the cake. The cake was eaten by the children. So in a passive sentence, we use by to introduce the thing or person that does the verb. All right, now complete these sentences using by. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. This building was designed by an architect. Paris was attacked by the Romans in 52 BC. French and English are spoken by many Canadians. And we were invited to a party by Jack. So why do we use the passive? So sometimes we do not know who or what causes the action. So someone stole the jewels from the museum. The jewels were stolen from the museum by someone. And often we don't show the agent. The jewels were stolen from the museum. Sometimes it is not important to say who or what caused the action, or we do not know who the agent is. So the cathedral was built in the 13th century. So who built the cathedral? Well, this is unknown information. The letter was sent to my office yesterday. Who sent the letter? This is unimportant information. Now, make some passive sentences for each of these. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. The first one is already done for you. The Eiffel Tower was built in Paris in 1889. Okay, butter and cheese are made from milk. This house was built by my grandfather. This picture was painted by Picasso. And many languages are spoken in Europe. Right, now you're going to change again the active sentences into passive. The boy threw the ball. The ball was thrown by the boy. So last night, a woman was hit by a car. Many plays were written by William Shakespeare. The telephone was invented by Alexander Bell in 1876. Milk is produced by cows. Mr. Flinders was shot by a man in the street, in the street last night. Football is played by many people. And the old cinema was destroyed by fire last year. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.